Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to make a free logo with AI. So the first thing that we are going to use for this one is an application or software called Brandmark. So here in the Brandmark, we're just going to go ahead and type our brand. So say for example, the brand, I'm going to call this one Brandless, right? Just like that. And then for the slogan, you can put whatever you want. So I'm just going to go ahead and try to put something here. All right, just something like this, unleashing authenticity, redefining value. So I'm going to go ahead and proceed just like so. So you have here your brand keywords. Enter a few keywords that describe your brand. So I'm going to go ahead to click this one here if you're not sure. So we have, for example, Bitcoin, abstract, snack, cookie, something like that. So it's up to you what you're going to put. And in my case, I'm just going to go ahead and use something here. For example, we have here robot just like this so, and I'm going to go ahead and look for something else. All right, I have already put here some keywords. I'm going to continue. And then for the color, I want to use dark. So click this one here, click continue. And now it is generating our own logo. So we'll just have to wait for this one. All right, there you go. So now we have here a lot of brand or logos that we can use. So just go ahead and try to scroll here in order for you to find yours. For example, I'm just going to go ahead and use this one here. I'm going to go ahead and click this one, for example, and we're going to go ahead and check some few things. For example, if I were to scroll down here, you will see how it is like if we are going to see it in a product, in an actual product. So this is the bag. This is some sort of lotion, little box, plastic, and you have it also on the phone. And there's even a color palette for you actually. That's actually pretty amazing. So you have it on social media, for example. And yeah, I think this one is really amazing. Now, this time you cannot really just download this one right away. You have to purchase this one. However, there is a workaround for us that we can use in order for us to be able to grab this particular logo here. So just go ahead and right click here and then go ahead and look for the inspect element. So click this one here. Now after inspecting, we're going to go ahead and hover over here. So as you can see, there is something here that says SVG, which means it is a file that we can download. Now, how are we going to do that? We're just going to go ahead and copy this one here. So again, at this one, click this and we're going to copy outer HTML. All right, just like so. Go back here and we're going to go ahead and paste this one. This is code Beautify, by the way. You can go ahead and look for this, and then you're just going to paste the code that we copied here, and then go ahead and click this one, Beautify SVG. All right, and then click View SVG after that, and you should see it in here. Okay, you might be seeing something like this. As you can see, it's kind of like blank, but don't worry. Once we download this one, we should be able to see the others in here. So we're going to go here and we're going to go ahead and convert this one. This is SVG again. We're going to go ahead and download or upload that one and then basically convert it from here. All right, we're going to go ahead and download it as a PNG. Click convert. Okay, there you go. So I'm going to go ahead and download this one now. Click this and there you go. As you can see, we have the brand already right now. So yep, that's basically how you are going to do it. From this point forward, you can go ahead and use this however you want, and now you have created your own beautiful logo. Congratulations everybody, that is how you're going to make a free logo with AI.